In this video, we will guide you through your Canbus setting with your Las Vegas 900 or 1000. Go to Settings. Swipe down and look for Factory Settings. Select Factory Settings. Enter the password 3366888. Then press OK. Select Protocol Settings. Select Canbus profile according to your Canbus box brand and car model. For example, if your Canbus box brand is Raise and you are driving a Lexus RX 300, select Raise. Look for Toyota, Lexus. Find your car model. Then press Save. Your Canbus ID will be generated. You may now enjoy your car radio with Canbus profile. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and follow us for more videos.